ELIOSLAMP Pluto. For skin issues, the ideal range is between 3 and 15 joule by square centimeters. That means from 1 to 4 minutes standing and 12 inches away, which is a suggested distance. For deep penetration on tissues, ideal for muscles, bones, adipose tissue, organs, joints, you can stay at 6 inches or 12 inches away. With the former, which is mostly suggested, you have a better penetration and overall outcome. With the latter, you can treat a wider area for time slot. The ideal dose range is from 10 to 60 joule by square centimeter. At 6 inches, the exposure time is from 50 seconds to 5 minutes, which is a better option. At 12 inches, from 3 to 18 minutes, which is less ideal. Frequency: from 3 times per week to every day. Start from the lower time and gradually increase at every treatment. Limit the full body exposure time at a maximum of 120 joule by square centimeter. It is at 10 minutes at 6 inches or 30 minutes at 12 inches. Examples of treatments: skin anti-aging, 3 minutes for area for a maximum total of 15 minutes at 12 inches. Deep tissue anti-aging, water structuring and redox balance. You can move the lamp on the front side of your body, scrolling gradually through the axis of the body for 5 minutes, and then do the same on the back for other 5 minutes at 6 inches away. This idea comes from the 3 dantian perspective of the Chinese medicine. You can focus the attention more on the lower, middle or upper dantian, 3 points, or alternatively on the 12 points of the Taoist tradition. You can also choose a particular area at a time and make split routines. It has organs, muscles, whatever you feel. Without having any particular issue, you can play with sensation and feelings and adjust the time according to the outcomes. These times come from average indication from studies that are really mixed because of different samples, wavelengths, power densities, laser versus LED, so the ideal dosage varies among individuals. With this lamp, you have more room for testing and feedback and ideas are more than welcome, contrary to the UVB lamp that requires much more attention because of the erythema risk.